folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you what I got for my January Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit of the Month. So I know it was like, how many times do I have to re-record this to get that phrase right? So I wanted to say welcome to my new subscribers and new members. Welcome to my returning subscribers and members. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos and for all your support. And if you're new to the channel, if you like the content, please click like and subscribe on the button below. And my other part of that talk is if you click on the bell, that's for notifications. So you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Furthermore, subscribing to the channel is free. So that's all. So last year, a few months ago last year, I don't know, sometime in the fall, I decided to sign up for the Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit of the Month. They also have a knit club, but I'm not a part of that. And this is what I got for this month. It arrived, you know, over the weekend. I'm releasing this video a few days later, so pre-recording everything. So the kit comes out to, at the price that I get it at, $18.99 for the kit, and then it's $4.99 for the shipping, so it's a total of $24. I believe they have a special that when you sign up on their website for it, you get the first month half off, so I think it's $9 or $10. I don't know if they're still running that special or not. So yeah, so this is what I got. I figure I would show you guys. I think it's nice. I liked last month's too. No, I don't have it here next to me. And so this is a hat and scarf or cowl kit. Let me take it out of the baggie. And the kit comes in the nice reusable plastic clear zippered bag, which I love these. I love these bags. I like the bigger ones even more. So this is the pattern that they sent this time. They say it's a cowl that you can make with the hat, but actually it's an infinity scarf, because when I looked over the pattern, it was the same size as the scarf, except you join the ends. So to me, a cowl is like a lot smaller and shorter and closer to your neck. And as you see here, that 2025 and 01 January is the date that this kit was released for, and then the crochet is, you know, the CR is for the crochet. So I guess the scarf size is 9.5 with width with the 72-inch length. It didn't state what level, you know, like easy or medium or hard the pattern is, but I read it over. I think it's an easy type pattern. That's the picture that you get, and then you also have this picture in the back of what the stitches look like. From what I read, like, kind of quickly, it seemed like it was chain stitches and double crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitches, and I think you alternate that. So, and it calls for using 3 skeins of the burnout wavelength yarn, which is 233 yards or 204 meters per skein, and they mention a size J10 6mm crochet hook to use, and an L size L11 and 8mm. So the scarf uses the smaller size hook in the pattern, and the other one uses the bigger hook, I believe. Yeah, for the hat. What else? They say you can also modify the hook size depending on your gauge. The yarn pictured here, that colorway, is the Adventurine, which I do not have. And it was not the colorway they sent in the kit. The colorway in the kit is really pretty, but I really would have wished they would have sent this blue-green, because it's really, really pretty. Oh well. Oh. This is the yarn from the kit. I know it's hard to see. I'm going to keep it in this plastic though. It looks like it's mostly maybe a little bit of green and mostly different shades of gray. More dark gray and a little bit of a lighter gray in there. I find that with this yarn, you really have to work it up to see what it looks like, or go on Ravelry or look for images of the colorway to have a good depiction of it. I have some other skeins that I had bought through Mary Maxim when they were on sale, so I'm going to read that to you. It'll be easier than trying to read through a plastic bag. This colorway is Orange Soul Delight, but that did not come in the kit. I will say I went back to Mary Maxim's site to see if it was on sale, and which is when I bought a bunch of these Bernat wavelengths. It's no longer on sale. It was nowhere to be found on their site anymore. I managed to get these for $3.99 per skein, but they sold out after a while. I think currently certain colors are being discontinued and you can find them on sale at Your Inspirations. I don't know if they will still be on sale by the time you see this video, but you can do an internet search and see where you find the yarn. The regular price, it seems, for this yarn is $8.99 usually. I managed to get it from Mary Maxim for $3.99 a skein. So at the almost $9 per skein, this kit is worth the price, right? If you do that math. Between, you know, $18, $19, and then the price of the pattern and the bag and the shipping. So we'll give them that. But if you calculate the yarn at, you know, the price of $4 each, not so much. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make this pattern or if I will pick a different hat and scarf to make. I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure yet. And I have noticed when I'm looking for scarves now in the winter, I mean, at least a hat, and then I look for a scarf. No, I don't have any matching scarves. I don't know what the deal is. So I go ahead and I make them and I gift them to people and I gift them the set and then everything's together. But when it comes to me, I somehow don't have a matching, you know, matching hat and scarf sets. So I either make the scarves or then sometimes make the hats. So I only have like one or two out of all the different hats and scarves that I have, which is really weird. And I don't have gloves that match either. So I had seen one of my friends had made a hat with a scarf and the matching mittens or the matching gloves, and she donated. They were beautiful, and she donated them to Western North Carolina. And I'm like, that's a great idea. I don't know why I haven't been making, you know, when I make one of a hat, that I make a whole set and just have all three. So I may start trying to do that now. Anyways, sorry for my long spiel. So the yarn is made by Your Inspirations. Bernat, like I mentioned, how many yards it was, 223 yards or 204 meters, 5 ounces or 104 grams. It's 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable. It's categorized as a number 5 bulky weight yarn. They recommend 6mm US 10 size knitting needles and or 6mm US J10 crochet hook. And again, I said machine washable and dryable. This colorway, if you like it, is the Orange Soul Delight. They have a free pattern, which you can be found on Your Inspiration site for that blanket. It's done in a corner to corner because I looked it up, but it's like done in 3 or 4 different pieces, and then you join together the squares to get that cool look. And this is what I read to you. This is the colorway that was sent in the kit, and that, again, that name is called Jade Mountain for the color. And I think that's everything that I wanted to cover by showing you this kit. I will say, so that I can show you what This one looks worked up. I'm testing a pattern for a sweater, which I can't show much. And I'm using that yarn, and this is 4 skeins of it so far, but with a much smaller hook size. So that's the body of my sweater, and yes, it looks very big, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so that's your quick peek. That's all you get to see. So have a great day or great night. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. And yeah, if you are interested or not, I mean, crochet kit clubs aren't for everybody. I should hopefully be getting soon. I had also signed up last year for Mary Maxim's quarterly Afghan kit club, so that should be coming in the mail. Hopefully, I think maybe mid-February, because it automatically purchases it. It said when I checked the status of it on their site under my account and then subscriptions, it said a purchase date of February 10th. So we'll see what arrives. I'm excited to see that. I haven't made any of these kits yet, but I hope to soon. As soon as I get to finish some of the current projects that I'm working on and patterns I'm testing. Okay, folks, great. Thanks so much. Bye.